Hello, everybody. This is Val with
This is how we do it.
Hello, my beautiful people. This is Val with This Is How You Do It. Willie cut the grass, and I just wanted to show you how beautiful it looks out here. It's a beautiful morning, and we're going to take advantage of this beautiful day and enjoy it. Y'all hang in there with us. Hello, my beautiful people. Willie changing the batteries in the smoke detector. Well, I'm going to try to get this grill started. Check and see if it's really turn it back on first. Yeah, it's on. The gas is on. I'm just going to use 2 eyes because it's just for me and him. And let that get hot. You can feel the heat. It feels really, really, really nice. What I have here, y'all, is I have some Conecuh sausages, you know. I'm going to put them on the grill. I'm going to put some hot dogs on the grill. And I'm going to take those peppers and onions that you see right there. And I'm going to put them on the griddler and stir fry them a little bit over there. Okay, we'll put these back here. Oh, got an onion right there. We're going to get that onion, like I say, and pull it on the griddler. We don't want that to just make the air stink of peppers and sausages. We actually want to eat the peppers and sausages, or the peppers and the onions, rather. See, sometimes the secret will make people think you're doing a real good job with your cooking. You take them onions and you throw it on the grill, and you make the neighborhood stink. Honey, you'll have to beat them off with a stick. They start smelling that in the air. Put some of these on here. That'll be enough for me and Willie. Like 2 sausages for him and 2 hot dogs. Well, since it's just that much in the pack, we're going to go and get them. Ain't no sense in saving that little bit in the pack. What you saving that for, Val, child? I don't know. But in the meantime and in between time, we're going to go over to the griddler and light that up. I got that covered like that. Close this down over here. I had some music playing. I took it off because the good thing about having this on here is you ain't got to always have to clean the grill. Now let's turn these on and see if it. Oh, the gas ain't on. Yes, it is. Let's see. The striker didn't come on. Let me stop this because I didn't get the striker to come on just then. Let me get it on first. All right, gonna put a little oil on this. I just got the 2 eyes on this side on, and see how the oil just go right down in the little hole there. Let me catch some of that.
What are your cooking tools, Alex?
On the grill.
That don't make no sense what you doing.
But I got you, baby. I'm just getting enough right
You
here.
get your finger in that hot grease, you gonna wish you got the tube.
The grease ain't really that hot yet, but I got you to understand. I understand exactly what you're saying.
You ain't changing.
Yeah. That's all I'm going to do right there. For those, because you don't really want any, right?
You want to turn it down or something? You ain't cooking too high?
No, I guess I got it on all the way on low. It don't look all the way low to you?
I don't know.
I ain't got this one on, just that one. I just got this on. No, I didn't just cut it off.
You didn't have no low then.
Okay. Well, bless you, baby. The good old smell getting to you, huh?
I don't know what it is. I don't know thing.
Show the folks what this look like right here.
That's supposed to be on the grip.
Huh?
That's supposed to be on the grip.
You think so?
That's how to do with the onion.
Well, you know I'm trying to give it there. Charbroiled limes and all of that good stuff. And I got it cooking slow, so low and slow. Cut these back, close this back up on it. Put my people back over here and check out these good onions and good old stuff. It smells so good, y'all. Wish y'all had smell-o-vision. Smell-o-vision.
What is devil smell-o-vision?
It's like when you're watching it on video and the smell comes through the video. They call that smell-o-vision.
Somebody better quit something.
They better quit what now?
Better quit something if they smell it through the line. Through a video or through a phone, they better change something. They living wrong.
You think they own some?
They living wrong.
Alrighty then.
Living wrong. You bet that.
You guys, that is ready. I'm cutting this flame off and going to the next one. Look how beautiful that looks, y'all. I really don't know if you saw it, so that's why
Yeah, I'm saying, but the insurance company trying to call doctor. I've been trying to call. We ain't got them yet. Oh yeah, I got to pay that.
You're in the Granville Gardens. Yes, you're still in the Granville Gardens. And we're doing some work on the Granville Gardens, getting it ready for the summer.